What's going on this morning, family? Black Feniks checking in with you from Hip-hop Welding. Just wanted to talk to you for a second about some of the new information I've been finding out here lately on the 2019 going back to Africa. This summer I found out that I was 33% Cameroon and I was 21% Ghana. So to hear about the movement, and I already been working on going back, getting my visa in line so I can go back and visit the motherland and actually see if I can start a business over there. I want to take Black Feniks Welding over there. I want to be able to establish something different, to be an iron worker, to be a welder, erector, installer, fabricator, teacher, whatever is needed in the construction field, because I know construction is a big tool in our economy growth in any area. So I want to see, can I give back what I have learned in the States, in America, as a welder and an iron worker, and take it over there and start completely over and see how many lives I can help, and just give, who I am authentically, to the people, and also just be able to start over, just start over. People say, man, are you scared to go back and start over? Man, my whole life over here, I've been starting over since I've been in this country. I've been placed in prisons and jails, unjustified, too long, just a lot of BS. So I feel like if I can pack up and move to a different state that I don't have no friends, no family, no associates in, and I can start a business, I can start over, and I can go to another country and I can do the same thing, because I know I'm an asset, I got a skill, I got a trade, and I'm willing to utilize what I know to help someone else grow. So that's what's been on my mind lately. Like I say, I got my little paperwork out, and you see in the top of it, it say DNA of Joe Brown. And I know this is a little small, you can't really see it, but it kind of show you over here, this is my Cameroon and Congo heritage. And the next one was Ghana. So, as you can see where my bloodline is. So I want to honestly do all I can to just live a different life, man. You know what I mean? If I got the opportunity to start over, to be a king, let's do it. I mean, I feel like I'm a king now, so I'm standing independently now. So if I can actually be with a group of people that's actually doing something righteous, I'm down. I'm down to do it here, and most definitely down to do it there. You know what I mean? But I'm down to help, what's going on in my backyard, most definitely, because we got a lot of issues going on in America with our black men. So, if I can give back and I can help my people with educating them with a trade, with just sharing my experiences and what I went through, I'm game to do that. You know what I'm saying? But we know that this is a capital world. Everything takes money. Everything costs money. So, we realize that there's no handout. So not even thinking like that, but we can be able to work together, and everybody can bring, good assets together and produce a system that we can be able to help some of the kids, the youth, some of those who need to be educated, just some people who have woke up and say, hey man, I might be a little farther in my years now, but I get it. Can I help now? It's never too late. So I'm just educating myself, man. And like I say, I just wanted to share that and just kind of let you know some of my directions on where I'm going in the future. Anything can happen from now, but I'm most definitely educating myself to go back to Africa. So if you are a African and then you get a chance to run across this video, most definitely get in contact with me. If you feel what I have to offer, me and my wife, what we have to offer, being welders, iron workers, and teachers, and child development, reach out to us. I'm most definitely game to come over there and do what I can. Black Feniks, hold on.